Welcome to another ABC Grab and Go on-demand webcast. In this webcast, we're going to cover the ACC Adaptive Cruise Control. All information provided is intended for informational purposes only and should not be used to replace either technical documents, manual guides, manufacturer information, or recommendations, nor the advice of a qualified personnel. While the information is thought to be accurate on the date it is posted, it is provided on an as-is basis and without warranty of any kind, either expressed or implied. In addition, the information may change at any time. For your standard cruise control, you have fixed speed, no radar control of the system. You set the speed manually, decrease with the switch or increase with the switch. Pressing the brake or retarder or speed less than 30 miles per hour switches off cruise control. ACC is an enhancement of conventional cruise control taking into account of the information of forward-looking sensors to control a stable following distance. Similar to conventional cruise control, the system has to be activated by the driver by setting a set speed and by selecting a following distance. Some of your ACC controls are engine brake, driveline retarder, which is an option, or wheel brakes. ACC warns the driver if its limited deceleration capabilities are not sufficient to control the current traffic situation. The driver can always overrule the system by the accelerator pedal or deactivating the ACC by depressing the brake pedal. ACC does not react to stationary vehicles. FCW means Forward Collision Warning System that will generate a driver alert in an imminent collision situation. It is always active above minimum activation speeds. FCW is also part of the current ACC system on the van hulls. The function is already implemented for those customers. The warning is generated by assuming a typical driver reaction time, assuming a typical driver emergency braking reaction, predicting the movement of host and preceding vehicles to the future. FCW, or Forward Collision Warning, does not react to stationary vehicles. ACC has a separate dashboard switch for the system, shown here to the right. Once activated, the image on the screen asks for info. A for the distance that you're following, B for the speed, C is following distance, and D is following speeds. The ACC system warns the driver and uses the brakes to slow down the vehicle. An audible alarm is given to alert the drivers, which asks for intervention. This will be given when the distance between the other object becomes too small. ACC makes use of kinetic energy during approach maneuvers to prevent or at least minimize use of brakes. ACC monitors behavior of preceding vehicles to detect oscillating speeds, behaviors such as slowing vehicles or dense traffic. If detected, ACC adapts its distance-keeping strategy to prevent or reduce speed vehicles. Early detection of slight changes in distance and relative speed to the preceding vehicle allows for very smooth or even subtle reactions of host vehicle, preventing higher speed variations when reacting late. Acceleration limitations reduces fuel consumption of unloaded or. So summary, AC is a great improvement versus cruise control. It controls the distance between the preceding vehicle and acts to hold the distance. ACC interacts with different parts, such as the engine, brakes, gearbox, or transmission. FCW, or Forward Collision Warning, is active with ACC not set and speeds above 30 miles per hour. FCW does not apply the brakes. FCW will give an audible alarm when an object is detected. FCW will not alert to stationary objects. Crucial element is radar installation must be correct for system to work properly. And this concludes another ABC Grab and Go on-demand webcast. For questions regarding this webcast, please contact ABC's Technical Service Department at 877-427-7278. Listen for the prompts for coach technical support and select the appropriate options. Support is available at this number 24/7.